typically start my days, my trading days, sorry for the wobbling. I typically start my trading days with a big cup of water. I normally eat a bowl of oatmeal. I skipped the bowl of oatmeal today. I normally work out too, get a good workout in, get my mind right, get my mind focused, so that way I go to the market and I'm not tired, groggy, sleepy, anything like that. I skipped a workout today, but I'm gonna go ahead. I got some things I gotta get done before the market opens in about an hour. I'm in PDD, NVTA, NEE, got some puts on those, and I got a call on PDD. So gotta be right, gotta be focused, and I gotta go back on a webinar for some of my students, and boom, take care of it from there. I'll have 2 caramel frappes, please.
What size?
Medium.
Anything else for you?
Oh no, that's it.
Alright, so we schedule you.
Alright, appreciate it, thanks. So I'm currently, let's go ahead and let me show you. I'm gonna pull up PDD. It's about 9:23 in the morning. NVTA, I'm down about $180 right now on NVTA, as you guys can see. It's all good though, not concerned about that. It hasn't even been 1% of 1% yet in terms of stop loss. So typically whenever I have my stop losses, I risk anywhere from 1 to 2% to look back to make anywhere from 6 to 8%. Now I'm very conservative. When I first started off trading, I didn't have a risk and money management plan. And the risk and money management plan has helped me, and the risk and money management plan that I have for all my students has helped them as well. You know, the whole goal is to figure out ways to not lose money. And once you have mastered the art of not losing money, you will start seeing a lot better returns. And whenever you do take a loss, they're not going to go ahead and put really big dents in your account. So PDD, I'm down about $135 right now, but I'm not concerned about PDD based off of everything that I'm seeing on all 4 time frames, the 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, monthly on PDD. I should be expecting this to go right back up. It's just consolidating and sitting on the 4 hour right now. Nothing big really happening. It's sitting on support. So up $180 right now on GE. Got 30 contracts out here in the gym doing a workout. Up 180 on GE. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys where I left off today. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this up. I am down $317 for the day. NVTA down, close NEE in profit. GE is sitting at 0-0. So during the day I bought some GE calls. And I just wanna go ahead and tell you guys that just because I'm down for the day doesn't mean it's not bad. You don't want to look to have daily goals. You want to look for monthly goals, quarterly goals, and yearly goals. I'm not the kind of person to go ahead and get into trading and then look to, okay, I'm going to do this every single day. What if the market doesn't have trades that set up during the day? I care more about my account being up for the month, up for the quarter, and at the end of the year being positive. You guys should focus on that too. It'll help you out a lot.